Alright, this thing is actually really bad. We just finally got this one to break free. It's a counter. It indicates what band it's on. And then, I didn't have a choice but to just spray it up in here. Because, I mean, there's just like nothing. These ones here still need some more work. And I've been trying to get all the areas cleaned up in here. They're turning, okay? They are turning. You can see the knob. There's various spots where this could be an issue. Possibly down in that one, you know, and but it is turning. It just it needs to sit. So I think we have some progress here. The other unit, I'm gonna pull the other one out tomorrow because the other one actually is, I think it's a 606B, but it completely changes through all this stuff really easy. So I'm feeling that both of them have something wrong with them, and that the other one probably doesn't work. So anyway, so it's cool. We got it to break free. We let it sit overnight, and then we'll come back to it.